Hello guys, and welcome to our next video about concurrent programming, the Golang versus the Python. So what we are doing here, basically, we are defining the problem and trying to implement the same idea with Golang and the Python. Where we left off, so in the previous video, I'm going to change the stop section to increment until 5, and let's see. So we are doing processed refund and the order exactly 5 times, and this is where we left off in the previous video. What we want to do here, we want to make an extra process with the cancel, as maybe we want to cancel the items, but what we want to do is to run the order and refund 5 times, and only after that run the process of the cancel. So this is the problem definition. What we can do here, maybe we can do 2 goroutines, and after that run this cancellation process. Let's see. Nope, it doesn't work, because as we see, it's going to cancel order refunds and refund order cancel, so it's going to process all of these things concurrently. We don't want this. We want exactly 2 order refund thing concurrently running 5 times, and 5 times running the process the cancel. This is basically a synchronization problem in concurrent programming, and for this one possible option to implement this feature is using the wait groups from the sync package in the Golang programming language. Let's implement. So var vg sync.WaitGroup, and of course we need to import this package here. Then we need to add a 2 here, because we want to wait for exactly this 2 goroutines. That's why we are going to add the 2 here, because we have 2 goroutines and we want to wait them. But prior to this, we need to define this process order and refund inside the anonymous function. That's why we need to run go func. This is a signature, and then add this process order inside this function and call this function. And of course we need to notify the goroutines that we are done with processing the order. That's why we're going to call defer vg done here. So the defer statement is going to be called only after the processing the order. Yeah, the same thing here with the refund. And of course, vg done. We are basically notifying that we are done with this implementation. So let's see what's going on here. Let's run. Yeah, we didn't call this. Still the same problem exists here, because we need to wait here for this coroutines to be exited. So that's why we need to add vg wait. So let's see if it works. Still the same problem, because we put the vg wait in the wrong place. So we need to put here, and let's see if it works now. So let's clear a bit screen. refund, order, refund, order, refund, and cancel, cancel, cancel. Voila. So that's it. Let's just increment the wait sleep time in order to see it's refund. Okay, refund, order, refund, order, refund, order 5 times. Then 5 times it's going to run the cancel. So this is basically the implementation in Golang, and as you see, it works. Let's see what's going on with the Python side. I'll just scroll it down. With Python, we need to make some changes here as well, but let's do some the cleaning here. I want to take this await sleep from the asynchronous generator to sleep statement to the process asynchronous process call, because it's much similar to the Golang's process. Here it's sleeping, and we need to do the same thing here. Let's say we left off, and also I need to change this if we want 5 times, and also the sleep to a second. So let's see. Oops. 1. Okay. So process set order, refund, refund, order. Well, that's basically where we left off. And what we want to achieve here, the same idea, but with the async IO. Let's just try to do same wrong things. So if you want to create this as a task and a task 3 and cancel, and if you run it, this is exactly the same thing what happened with Golang. So it's run the concurrently, also the cancel. We don't want this to be happen. We can actually await directly the process cancel process without registering it as a task. Let's see. Order, refund, order, refund, order, refund, and the cancel. This is the one possible way you can do here, but another possible way is using the similar to the Golang's statement. Another possible thing is using the wait, async IO wait. For that, we need to register this task 1 and task 2 in a list, and then just await async IO wait, and wait for tasks, and also return when, and we want to return from these coroutines tasks whenever first is completed. And so let's see if we can achieve the same result here as well. Yeah, order, refund, order, refund, and 5 times the cancel. So amazing stuff. So we can do the same thing like in 2 ways. One is registering upper two awaitable asynchronous function, I would say, as tasks, and directly await from the process. Another possible option is just using this wait and returning from the first completed, and then awaiting directly the process cancel. So basically we have achieved our statement and fixed our problem. And I think that's it for this video, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.